DENSO ADC is among the world's largest manufacturers of mobile data capture systems, offering a wide range of terminals and scanners for both 1 and 2D codes, as well as RFID. DENSO delivers exceptional quality you can depend on for swift and accurate asset monitoring. Our high-performance handheld terminals include models for both Android and Windows operating systems. Best-in-class performance is standard with our unique line of RFID scanners. DENSO also offers a vast array of handheld and stationary scanners made with the highest quality craftsmanship to meet your unique needs. As the proud inventor of the QR code, we continue to drive innovation with next-generation QR code technology, pushing the boundaries of capability and convenience. At every point, efficiency points to DENSO Automatic Data Capture. Learn more by visiting us today at denso-adc.com.